Bitter melon, also known as Momordica charantia, is a fruit that is commonly used in traditional medicine and cooking in various parts of the world. It is known for its bitter taste and is believed to have several health benefits. Here are some potential benefits of bitter melon. Blood sugar regulation. Bitter melon contains compounds that may help lower blood sugar levels. It is often used as a natural remedy for diabetes. Antioxidant properties. Bitter melon is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. This may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Anti-inflammatory effects. Bitter melon has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation in the body and prevent certain diseases. Weight management. Some studies suggest that bitter melon may aid in weight loss and weight management by promoting feelings of fullness and reducing appetite. Immune system support. The fruit is rich in vitamins and minerals that support the immune system and overall health. Digestive health. Bitter melon is often used to promote digestive health, as it may help improve digestion and relieve constipation. Skin health. Some people use bitter melon topically to help treat skin conditions such as eczema and acne, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Liver health. Bitter melon may help protect the liver from damage and improve its function. Heart health. Some studies suggest that bitter melon may help reduce cholesterol levels and improve heart health. It's important to note that while bitter melon offers many potential health benefits, more research is needed to fully understand its effects. Additionally, bitter melon may interact with certain medications, so it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before adding it to your diet or supplement routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.